speak, just feel the tone. Your heart beats calling when we're all alone. Every breath you take, I taste it so. In the silence, let it flow. Your touch draws fire down my spine. In your rhythm, I lose the line. Eyes like midnight, voice like wine. You pull me deep across the sun. The room is moving, bodies close. The bass beneath us softly glows. No sound but whispers, low and pure. Your energy, I'm so unsure. Gravity between our skin. The night begins and I give in. No need for words, no need to speak. The pleasure slow, the tension sweet. Whisper me closer, don't let go. Moving the rhythm soft and low. Every beat electric fire, clean desire, taking me higher. Hold me under neon skies. Deep in your truth, no disguise. Our souls collide, no trace of fear. Just you and me, right here. Your hands draw stories on my skin. Every touch pulls me within. I feel your breath across my face. The night dissolves in our embrace. Our shadows melt into the floor. You lay me where I've been before. No rush, no lies, just slow control. I lose my body, keep my soul. Stay inside this moment's glow. Let the bass keep breathing low. No noise, no time, just heartbeats clear. You disappear, then reappear. Whisper me closer, take it slow. The world fades out, we overflow. Every pulse a sacred fire, clean desire, taking me higher. The night still hums beneath our skin. We fall, we break, we burn, we spin. When it's done, there's nothing left, just your breath and silence. Come closer, don't speak, just breathe. I can hear you thinking of me. Let the night lead. Velvet air on naked skin. Your shadow tracing where I've been. Every glance a quiet spark. Every heartbeat lights the dark. Pull me under, keep it slow. I can feel your rhythm grow. No words, no disguise. Just your fire in my eyes. Keep it there, don't move. Lose control, nothing to hide. Let your hands read my mind. Every breath falls in time. In the dark we come alive. Touch my soul, take your time. Feeling heat inside the line. Don't let go, don't rewind. Let the rhythm redefine. Touch lost my mind. Hands explore what they can find. Every motion pulls me near. Every whisper disappears. Gravity between our lips. Ocean pulls beneath our hips. Take me where the bass begins. Lose me in your sins. Just like that again. Heartbeat racing under skin. Touch me where the dark begins. Push and pull me side to side. Ride the river, don't get right. I want more, don't stop. That's my soul. Take your time, feeling heat inside the line. Don't let go, don't rewind. Let the rhythm redefine. Touch my soul, hold me tight, make me crave one more night. Don't slow down, feel the light. We can burn through the night. Stay under my breath. Can you feel it? The night breathing. Your shadow touches mine. Slow, slow, slow. You move like smoke in my mind. Every breath a perfect crime. Hands trace fire on my skin. I fall deeper, you pull me in. The bass is low, my pulse is high. Your eyes are heat, I can't deny. No rush, no fear, no lies tonight. Just the glow beneath the light. Every heartbeat melts in haze. I lose control inside your gaze. Your voice a whisper, soft and near. You say my name, I disappear. Hold me close, don't let it fade. Bodies moving unafraid. Every wave a breath, a kiss. Deep inside this smoky bliss. So close, so real. Your lips, my fear. The night's a dream we can't escape. Our silhouettes begin to shake. Fingers draw lines through the dark. Every touch ignites a spark. The rhythm's soft but it bites. Your heartbeat sinking with the lights. No past, no name, no sound. Just the moment spinning round. Breathe me in, I fade to you. Like smoke that melts the sky in blue. Every sigh's a secret code. Lost in the heat, we overflowed. Whisper slow and let me stay. Bass beneath our hearts will play in your eyes. I find release in your arms. My quiet peace, closer. unfolds, every secret gently told. Shadows breathe and lights persuade. We move inside the masquerade. Your touch is smoke beneath my skin, a fever dream I can begin. He collects where hearts have been. The rhythm pulls me in. Your eyes ignite, they never lie. They burn through every alibi. Each glance a spark, a quiet sigh. We rise, we fly. No words tonight, just slow control. The night consumes, it takes